I finally decided to cut out the hole in my lenses. It's not really required, but it makes things way easier if you got big nose. I've marked the initial cutting lines with my spare soldering iron. You can cut it bigger if you'd like. Next, I've carefully removed the plastic using soldering iron with flat tip. I've also flattened the edges a little bit so it will be more comfortable to wear. Next, I've carefully cut out the excess plastic with X-Acto knife. Be very careful not to scratch the lenses. And that's how I've quickly made the lenses way more comfortable. Thanks for watching.